Hey there, my name's Diane from Lysell Digital Marketing Agency here in Cleveland. I came across your website and thought I'd shoot you a quick video on 3 things you can do today to beat your competition online. I don't want to waste your time, so I'll keep this brief. If by the end of the video you like what you heard and you see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, please shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take the free attack plan and do it yourself, all I ask is that you give me some feedback on the video. The 3 things I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Content are any of the words that you see on your home page, including what your picture was saved as. This gives the search engines an idea about what you offer and areas you're targeting. Having unique, authoritative content with the keywords people are searching for will help you rank. You guys need around 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Currently, you have very few. So this is one area that I would definitely recommend improving on. And right now you have just logo there. I would save that as a keyword itself. And I would add sections here to cover the different service areas that you are servicing, as well as the different niches from plumbing to, I see that here you have drain cleaning services, camera inspections, backwater valves, what have you. So I would take some of this information, put that on your homepage so that people can see a snapshot view of what your company does on the homepage. For an example, I'll show you for Cleveland Plumbers, one of the top sites, and Cleveland Plumbers gets 1,000 searches every month. RotoRooter has 150 traffic from on their site from just their organic listing every month. If we take a look at what they're doing, they have 1,100 words on their homepage, and they really go into detail about what their services are, what their service area is, and they use keywords to target what their services they want to be found for are. So we can take a look and see that they have, Cleveland Plumbers, which gets 1,000 searches, so it's right there in one of the headers. So that's a trigger to Google that that's important for them. And then all these little subheaders, they have different keywords to tell you that they do drain cleaning service in Cleveland, that they do water heater repair and replacement, that they do some pump repairs, emergency plumbing services, etc. And they go into detail about each of them. Google doesn't like just having people list things. They consider it keyword stuffing. Google loves content. They love information. So if you look at like Wikipedia, pretty much anything you search on the web, any topic you search on the web, you'll get Wikipedia as one of the top results because they're so informative. And Google loves to inform its users about whatever topic you're searching for. So they want an informative site to give back to their searches. So that's one thing that you can do to improve your site and get listed and found for more terms by Google. The other thing is this map listing. Anytime you're searching for a service, Google usually will bring back a map section, and there are 3 people in that map section, 3 businesses that come up. That's called the Google Map Pack. And who is in this section is a little bit, one, determined by whether or not you have listed your business with Google Maps. So Google My Business account, and setting that up with your business name, your hours, website, some pictures, descriptions, what have you. You want to optimize that. But from there, they look at citations. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number on various sites throughout the web, usually in directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, Merchant Circle. Even things like Facebook or LinkedIn can give you a citation. You want it to match exactly what your map listing is, name, address, and phone number, so that they can connect the dots between all the different locations. And we can use different tools like Whitespark to see how many citations and where some of the competitors are listed. So here we see that they have 58. So we'd want to beat 58. And we can look, and it'll tell us the different citation sources that they're using. So what directories are they on? And then we can go and put ourselves on those same directories. So all these different businesses have a total of 140 different citation sources that are all a possibility to go and just put yourself on the same ones. And then the second area of the results here are your organic listings. So to get in the organic listings, Google needs to know that you fulfill this search criteria by your content. And then from there, how do they determine who's on page 3 versus who's on page 1? It's based on how authoritative and trustworthy they see you and your site. So backlinks are what impact that. So what's a backlink? When a website has your website address listed on it so that people can click on it and be taken to your site, that is what a backlink is. That website is giving your site more power and authority in Google's eyes. It's kind of like a popularity contest. So not all backlinks are created equal, though. Google will see your site as more authoritative if you get backlinks from sites that are related to your business. So something that's in plumbing or plumbing supplies, construction and improvement, or things that are from the area like Cleveland area, such as Cleveland.com article or what have you, is going to carry more weight and give you more authority for the searches that people are doing. So we can take and look at a tool like this and see RotoRooter Cleveland is listed on these various places. So if it looks like a good place to list yourself that has, a high relevancy to your business, this is something that you could click on and you could add yourself to the same sites to get the same level of authority that your competitors have. So here you see they have 52 different sites and they have a domain rating of 71. When we take a look at yours, you have 26 different sites that this tool is finding yourself on, which all the tools are approximations, but they're finding you on 26 and they have you at domain rating of 2.4. So you're listed on several things, including Better Business Bureau, for example. So it's great that you have some listings. You've got some relevant ones. Karma Chamber is listing you as well. So that's great. So I would continue to work at those backlinks and continue to get additional ones and try to find ones that have high power, high authority to really boost up your domain rating. So once again, we went over content. Your homepage needs 1,500 words, relevant information, targeting those keywords that are buyer intent, getting those citations, name, address, and phone number on various directories to beat your competition by a landslide in the maps area, and adding those relevant backlinks from sites that have authority and relevancy to your site so Google trusts you more. Those strategies, if you get those implemented, will help move you up in rankings so you can get more traffic and more calls to your site. Hopefully this has been educational and you can do this on your own if you'd like, and I'm totally cool with that. And if you want a more effective route and to save yourself some time, please give me a call. We can do a discovery call to see what your goals are and formulate a plan so that you can really knock it out of the park in 2021.